Hello everyone, myself Harshal Nilkante Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today's topic is numerical on T section, L section and I section. So we'll start with numerical. So first numerical is find Ixx and Iyy of T section having 80 mm multiplied by 20 mm flange and 20 mm multiplied by 60 mm web. Solution. First we will draw the diagram. This is a T section. Top flange is given 80 by 20 and bottom web is given 60 by 20. Okay. To find centroid of y bar, y1 is equal to, from bottom we will calculate, in y-axis we will see now. So the web is section 1 and the flange is section 2. So 60 divided by 2 is equal to 30 mm, that is y1, and for y2 total 60 plus 20 divided by 2 is equal to 70 mm. After finding y1 and y2, we will calculate area of rectangle of A1 and area of rectangle of A2, means section 1 and section 2 area we will calculate. Area of rectangle A1 is equal to web 60 multiplied by 20 is equal to 1200 mm square. Area of rectangle A2 is equal to flange 80 into 20 is equal to 1600 mm square. We know formula y bar is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2 is equal to a1 value is 1200 multiplied by 30 plus 1600 multiplied by 70 divided by 1200 plus 1600. After solving in calculator, y bar is equal to 52.85 mm. Since the T section is symmetrical about y-axis, we get x bar is equal to maximum width divided by 2 is equal to 80 divided by 2. So x bar will be 40 mm. Continuing to next page. To find Ixx, moment of rectangle section 1 about centroidal axis xx of T section from the parallel axis theorem, Ixx1 is equal to Igxx1 plus a1 h1 square. Ixx1 is equal to Igxx1 plus a1 multiplied by h1 square. So h1 is given by y bar minus y1 the square. So Igxx1 is given by b1 d1 cube divided by 12 plus area a1 multiplied by y bar minus y1 square, 20 multiplied by 60 cube divided by 12 plus 1200 multiplied by y bar value 52.85 minus y1 value 30 bracket close square. We will solve. After solving we will get Ixx1 is equal to 986.54 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 and unit will be mm raised to 4. Moment of rectangle section 2 about centroidal axis xx of T section from the parallel axis theorem, Ixx2 is equal to Igxx2 plus a2 multiplied by h2 the whole square. h2 is not there, so we can write y bar minus y2 the whole square. Igxx2 is given by b2 d2 cube divided by 12 plus area a2 multiplied by y bar minus y2 the whole square. After substituting the values, 80 multiplied by 20 cube divided by 12 plus 1600 multiplied by y bar value 52.85 minus y2 value 70 the whole square. Solving, I will get Ixx2 is equal to 523.92 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 and unit will be mm raised to 4. Continuing the next page. The moment of inertia of T section about x-axis Ixx is equal to Ixx1 plus Ixx2 is equal to substituting value of Ixx1 and Ixx2. I will get Ixx is equal to 1.51 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 unit mm raised to 4. To find, this is your Ixx. To find now Iyy. For Iyy, moment of rectangle section 1 about centroidal axis at y axis of T section from parallel axis theorem. We know parallel axis theorem is given by Iyy is equal to Igyy plus A1 H1 square. So H1 is not there, so I will write instead of H1 x bar minus x1 square. For Igyy formula is d1 b1 cube divided by 12 plus a1 bracket x bar minus x1 the whole square. So substituting the value, I will get answer Iyy1 is equal to 40 into 10 raised to 3 mm raised to 4. Continue next page. Moment of rectangular section 2 about centroidal axis yy of the T section from the parallel axis theorem. Iyy is equal to Igy2 plus A2 multiplied by H2 the whole square. So H2 square, I will write x bar minus x2 square. Substituting all the values, I will get Iyy2 is equal to 853.33 into 10 raised to 3 mm raised to 4. The moment of inertia of T section about the y-axis Iyy is equal to Iyy1 plus Iyy2 is equal to substituting values of Iyy1 and Iyy2. I will get Iyy is equal to 893.33 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 unit will be mm raised to 4. This is your final answer. Now for next question. For ISA Indian Standard Angle 120 mm horizontal multiplied by 200 mm vertical multiplied by 20 mm thickness, calculate moment of inertia about the centroidal axis Ixx and Iyy. So figure, there is a L section. First section is 120 by 20 and second section is 200 by 20. To find the centroid of y bar, y1 is equal to from bottom 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 mm, and for y2 is equal to from bottom we will calculate 20 plus 180 divided by 2 is equal to 110 mm, 110 mm. Area of rectangle A1 is equal to 120 into 20 is equal to 2400 mm square. Area of rectangle A2 is equal to 180 into 20 is equal to 3600 mm square. We know formula y bar is equal to A1y1 plus A2y2 divided by A1 plus A2. So substituting value of A1y1 plus A2y2 divided by A1 plus A2, I will get y bar is equal to 70 mm. To find centroid of x bar, this L section is unsymmetrical, so we will find the x bar. X1 is equal to from right hand side for bottom flange 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60 mm. X2 For second section, 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10 mm. x1 x2, after getting x1 x2, we will find Ixx, moment of rectangular 1 about the centroidal axis xx of L section from parallel axis theorem. Ixx1 is equal to Igxx1 plus a1 h1 square. So h1 square I will write as y bar minus y1 square. After putting all the values in formula, I will get Ixx1 is equal to 8.72 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. Moment of rectangle 2 about centroidal axis xx of L section from the parallel axis theorem. Ixx2 is equal to Igxx2 plus a2 h2 square. h2 square I will write as y bar minus y2 square. After substituting all values in formula, I will get Ixx2 is equal to 15.48 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. On next page, the moment of the L section about the x-axis Ixx is equal to Ixx1 plus Ixx2. Substituting the value of Ixx1 and Ixx2, I will get Ixx is equal to 24.2 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. This is the final answer. Now to find Iyy. Moment of rectangle 1 about centroidal axis yy of L section from the parallel axis theorem. Iyy1 is equal to Igyy1 plus a1 multiplied by h1 square. h1 square I will write as x bar minus x1 square. Substituting all values, Iyy1 is equal to 5.04 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. Moment of rectangle 2 about centroidal axis yy of L section from the parallel axis theorem. Iyy is equal to Igy2 plus a2 h2 square. h2 square I will write as x bar minus x2 square. Substituting all values, Iyy2 is equal to 1.56 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. The moment of T section about the y axis Iyy is equal to Iyy1 plus Iyy2 is equal to, substituting value of Iyy1 and Iyy2, I will get final answer for Iyy is equal to 6.6 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 and unit will be mm raised to 4. This is the final answers. So two problem we have solved. One is of T section, another is of L section. Now we will move for another problem, and this problem is a symmetrical I section has a following dimension. Calculate the polar moment of inertia of section flange 100 mm into 10 mm, wave 10 mm into 100 mm. So this is a diagram. The I section, flange, the bottom flange and above flange, top flange is 100 into 10, and the wave in middle portion wave is of 10 mm into 100 mm. Okay, as this object is symmetric, okay, moment of inertia of I section about xx axis. Ixx is given by I ABCD minus I shaded region. Since I section symmetric on both, I ABCD is given by BD cube divided by 12, and I shaded region is 100 minus 10 multiplied by 100 raised to cube divided by 12. D value is 100, D value is 120 cube divided by 12 minus 100 minus 10 is 90 multiply by 100 raised to cube divided by 12. After solving, I will get Ixx is equal to 6.9 multiply by 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. On next page, moment of the I section inertia of I section about yy axis for Iyy is equal to d1b1 cube divided by 12 minus d2b2 cube divided by 12 minus d3b3 cube divided by 12. Since I section is symmetrical about yy axis is equal to, substituting all values of d1b1, b2b2, d3b3, substituting all values, I will get Iyy is equal to 1.675 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. By polar moment of inertia, Ip is equal to Ixx plus Iyy. Ip is equal to Ixx value is 6.9 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 plus Iyy value is 1.675 multiplied by 10 raised to 6. After solving, I will get Ip is equal to 8.575 multiplied by 10 raised to 6 mm raised to 4. This is the final answer. Thank you.